Dear all, warm welcome to the series of Oracle Integration Knowledge Check. In this series of videos, I'm going to validate your knowledge on Oracle integration. So let's begin and be with us till the end of the third part of this series. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and click on a bell icon to get regular updates of my TechSupper channel. So let's begin the show. So the first question of this part is, how many connectivity agent groups can be created in a single OIC instance? If you don't know the answer, what you can do, you can log in into the Oracle integration, go to the agent groups, and you can start creating the agent groups. And you see when Oracle integration prevents you to create the agent group. So agent group, you know what agent group is. Agent group is nothing. It's like an identifier where we associate our connectivity agent. And this identifier we used in connection to create our on-prem connection. So let's see the options available. 3, 2, 5, or 6. If you have logged in into the Oracle integration and see how many agent groups you can create it, then you can find the answer. The correct answer is 5. The next question, what is the limit of agents to be configured in a HA high availability mode with a single agent group? You can install connectivity agent in the high availability mode to prevent a single point of failure of the connectivity agent. So we install connectivity agent in the high availability mode. But how many connectivity agents you can configure with a single agent group? This is the question. So let's see the options available. 3, 2, 5, or 6. If you don't know the answer, you can try to install connectivity agent and configure with a single agent group, and you see when the error comes. But the correct answer is 2. You can only have maximum 2 connectivity agent configured with a single agent group. Okay, so let's continue and see my third question. Is Oracle JDK a prerequisite for installing a connectivity agent? Do you need the JDK to install connectivity agent? Yes, this is the prerequisite. Without JDK, you cannot install connectivity agent for sure. Sorry, the sequence was not correct of the question, so I just corrected that. Okay, the next question is, which is not the certified operating system to install connectivity agent? As we know, when we install connectivity agent, we require a virtual machine or the physical machine where we install the connectivity agent. But what must be the operating system? What should be the operating system to install connectivity agent? And what are the certified version? Question is, what is not the certified operating system? So let's see the options. Oracle Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, RHEL, IBM AIX, Windows 2019. So IBM AIX is not the certified operating system. Oracle only recommends to use either Oracle Linux, Red Hat, or Windows 2019 to install the connectivity agent. However, there are other operating systems as well on which you can install your connectivity agent. but IBM AIX is not the certified one. You can install agent on IBM AIX, but this is not the recommended one. Okay, what is the next question? Out of which following adapters don't require a connectivity agent? So in which adapter we don't need agent to configure? Let's see the options. Oracle e-business suite adapter, Oracle ERP cloud adapter, cloud Oracle DB adapter, or Oracle ATP adapter. Which adapter don't need a connectivity agent? You have to open each and every connection and see where you don't see the connectivity agent section or agent group section. So the answer is Oracle ERP Cloud. Oracle ERP is a cloud application, so you don't need the agent. Hence, this adapter will not have an agent group section while you configure this connection. Okay, what is the next question? The next question, which two statements about lookup are correct? Lookups, you know, okay? So let's see the options. Create a lookup to map values between application. Lookups are deployed as part of the integration activation. Changes made to lookups already used in active integrations take effect. You cannot clone a copy of an existing lookup. Like we know, we can create a clone. So the fourth one is not a good choice. Create a lookup to map values between application. The first one looks okay. Okay, lookups are deployed as part of the integration activation. No. Changes made to the lookups already used in the active integrations take effect. Looks the good option. So the good options are first and third. What are two valid points against a mapper? You know the mapper, right? A mapper is basically used to do the mapping. But let's see what are the options that we have. A mapper has the inbuilt functions to transform data. Do we have inbuilt functions in mapper? A mapper does not allow to test the mapping. A mapper populates the metadata of the configured connections. The next is a mapper is not an XSLT file. If you have worked with the mapper, hope you will know the answers. Let's see the correct answers. First, of course, mapper has various inbuilt functions like concat, substring, mathematical functions, some advanced functions which allows us to transform the data. That is a good choice. The third, of course, mapper populates the metadata of the configured connections. Whenever we configure the connections, all the metadata of those connections will be populated in the mapper, which allows us to map the data of one application to another. Second, a mapper does not allow to test. We have a testing functionality in the mapper using which we can test our mapping. Fourth, a mapper is not an XSLT file. A mapper is the XSLT file only. Okay, what is the next question? Which is not a key advantage of using OIC? Which is not a key advantage of using OIC? What are the options? Public, private, cloud portability, choice of IDE development, pre-built integrations, recommendations. Which is not a key advantage? public-private cloud. Of course, we can have our integration between public and private. Choice of IDE development. Looks like it's not a good, right? We don't have any IDE to develop the integrations. So looks like correct options here. Pre-built integrations, we have recipes and accelerators. Recommendations. In the mapping, we have a recommendation engine which allows us to recommend the mappings. So choice of ID development looks the correct answer. We don't have a IDE of Oracle integration using which we develop the integration. We have a browser-based tool which we use to develop the integrations. What are two types of integrations available out of the box? Let's see the option. Quick start, recipes, accelerators, templates. So which two options are available? Which two types of integrations are available? The correct answers are recipes and accelerators are available in the integration, which is just like a template, which are ready-made integration, which we can activate and use as per our requirement. Okay, what is the next question? The next question is, which two adapters are not available out of the box in Oracle integration? Let's see the options. Salesforce, Marketo, PayPal, Microsoft Dynamics, SharePoint. Which two adapters are not available? Salesforce, we have used very extensively. Marketo, we have not used. PayPal, we have not used. SharePoint, we don't have, because whenever you want to integrate SharePoint, you use the REST API. So SharePoint is not available. What about Microsoft Dynamics? Let's see the correct answers. The correct answers are Microsoft Dynamics and SharePoint. So these two adapters are not available as of now in Oracle integrations. PayPal, Marketo, and Salesforce are these three adapters available out of the box, which you can use to integrate with those applications directly. Guys, I hope you found this video very useful and it has enhanced your knowledge. Hope you like this video. If yes, please like, comment, and share. And if you would like to get notified for the next part of this series, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on a bell icon to get regular updates. You can follow us on the LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Thank you. Bye-bye.